going to Surajkund Mela. Those who don't know about Surajkund Mela, it is the world's largest crafts Mela. Okay? And it always happens in the first fortnight of February, that is from 1st to 15th Feb. Millions of visitors visit this Mela every year. I'm lucky to be one of those million visitors to witness this Mela. The special thing about this Mela is that every year all the states of India and also from other countries meet in this Mela, and they install their stalls and showcase their crafts, embroideries and handicrafts and looms and such kind of things in their stalls. So let's go to Surajkund to witness the world's largest crafts Mela. Bye. Surajkund Mela always happens to take place in the first fortnight of February, that is 1st to 15th Feb every year. Each day of this half-month-long fiesta is marked by different activities and programs. 10 AM to 7 PM are the standard timings of Surajkund Mela every year. Surajkund Mela tickets price usually stays between ₹50 to ₹200 every year. Weekdays it is ₹120 per person, and for weekend it is ₹180 per person. You can book them online also if you want to avoid the headache of queues. Let's talk about paintings. From Madhubani to Kalamkari, 10 Indian folk art forms that have survived generations you can find at this one place. Madhubani, Miniature, Varli, Kalamkari, Tanjore, Cheryal, Kalighat or Patachitra. You named it and you will find it here at much affordable prices.
बिहार में मधुबनी जिला पड़ता है, गाँव में बनता है। ये पेंटिंग जो फूल पत्ती से कलर बनाते हैं।
अच्छा।
गुलाब, गेंदा का फूल।
अच्छा, सारी नेचुरल कलर्स हैं।
हाँ, ये पूरा नेचुरल कलर होता है। उसके बाद ये हैंडमेड पेपर पे गाय का गोबर से पेस्ट करके ये हम लोग इसको फ्री हैंड बनाते हैं। इसमें हम लोग पेंसिल का काम नहीं करते हैं, पूरा हाथ का काम।
The food court has been set up as per the taste of people with a perfect combination of traditional and modern mouth-watering cuisines. Each food stall in the Mela churns out an indigenous recipe which is worth a mention. Special food stalls of South Indian dishes from Madras Cafe to traditional delicacies of Haryana. Street food of Amchi Mumbai to newly invented Kullar Chai. Fine cuisines from Bangkok or some extraordinary sized jalebis which are known as jalebas are just mind-blowing. And yes, at last, don't forget to try some pan which represents flavor of Banaras. You'll be surprised to know that over 23 countries participated in the fair. I was astonished to see beautiful places from Sri Lanka, Lebanon, Bangladesh. It's like that if we can't go there, they have come to us. And now I would like to introduce you to my favorite stall from Surajkund. That is Grand Bazaar, Istanbul, Turkey. Oh my god, look at these beautiful colorful lights. I want to buy them all. Next, then we move to some amazing stalls from Africa, that is Ghana, Niger, Thailand, Poland from Europe. And I'm telling you, it's worth a visit to Surajkund. I must say, the international flavor at the annual Surajkund Crafts Mela is growing stronger with every passing year, and you must visit to feel its essence. If you ever get a chance of visiting Surajkund Crafts Mela, you will be stunned with the splendor of the handicraft displayed in the numerous stalls. I was just amazed at the plethora of the intricately carved beautiful wooden crafts. Furniture, utensils or showpieces made up of walnut wood, sandalwood, rosewood, teak, etc. will leave you more mesmerized and more longing to buy all these beautiful stuff. And not only wooden crafts, you'll find a wide variety of house decorating items made up of beautiful stonework, sandwork or mirrorwork. So yes, all house decorating enthusiasts there, here is a place for you. Whatever a woman needs in life, saris, salwars, suit pieces, stalls, footwear, jewelry, chicken work, resham work, figure work, Surajkund has it all. Now here comes our organizing state of Surajkund Mela, that is Haryana. Haryana is known for its popular village handicrafts, the hues of pottery, the molds of clay, the shimmer of handicrafts and the beads of terracotta, all combined to display the creative imagination of thousands of Well, the prime highlight of the Surajkund Fair is that one Indian state gets the special honor of being the theme state of the year. The concept of theme state was brought upon with a view to promote and focus on the art, craft, culture and cuisine of one state per year. And this year, Maharashtra is a theme state. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you enjoyed, you know what you have to do. You have to like, share and subscribe to my channel.